Apple reimagines the iPhone experience with iOS 14. iOS 14 introduces new ways to customize the home screen, discover and use apps with app clips, and stay connected in messages. The new home screen and widgets in iOS 14 displayed on iPhone 11 Pro. Widgets are beautifully redesigned in iOS 14, giving users timely information at a glance, and are more helpful than ever right on the home screen pages. Cupertino, California. Apple today previewed iOS 14, introducing the biggest update ever to home screen pages with beautifully redesigned widgets and the app library, a new way to tap into the App Store with app clips, powerful updates to messages, and more. The new widgets present timely information at a glance and can be pinned in different sizes on any home screen page. Users can create a smart stack of widgets, which uses on-device intelligence to surface the right widget based on time, location, and activity. Home screen pages can display widgets that are customized for work, travel, sports, entertainment, and other areas of interest. At the end of the home screen pages is the app library, a new space that automatically organizes all of a user's apps into one simple, easy-to-navigate view, and intelligently surfaces apps that may be helpful in the moment. Users can choose how many home screen pages to display and easily hide pages for quicker access to the app library. The new app library in iOS 14 displayed on iPhone 11 Pro. The app library makes it easier for users to get to all of their apps with a simple, easy-to-navigate view at the end of the home screen pages. Incoming FaceTime and phone calls and Siri interactions take on an all-new compact design that enables users to stay in the context of what they are doing. With picture-in-picture support, iPhone users can now watch a video or take a FaceTime call while using another app. iOS 14 transforms the most iconic elements of the iPhone experience, starting with the biggest update we've ever made to the home screen, said Craig Federighi, Apple Senior Vice President of Software Engineering. With beautifully redesigned widgets on the home screen, the app library that automatically organizes all of your apps, and app clips that are fast and easy to discover, iPhone becomes even more powerful and easier to use. An incoming phone call in iOS 14 displayed on iPhone 11 Pro. iOS 14 delivers an all-new compact design that lets users multitask while receiving calls, asking Siri a question, or watching videos. The Siri experience in iOS 14 displayed on iPhone 11 Pro. The Siri experience is redesigned to let users stay in the context of what they are doing. A FaceTime call showing the new picture-in-picture feature in iOS 14 displayed on iPhone 11 Pro. With picture-in-picture, users can watch a video or take a FaceTime call while using another app. Previous. Next. A new way to discover and use apps with app clips. An app clip is a small part of an app experience designed to be discovered the moment it is needed. App clips are associated with a particular product or business, and load within seconds to complete a specific task, such as renting a scooter, purchasing a coffee, or filling a parking meter. They can be easily discovered and accessed by scanning a new Apple-designed app clip code 1 or through NFC tags and QR codes, or shared in messages or from Safari, all with the security and privacy expected from apps. An app clip from the Spin app displayed on iPhone 11 Pro. App clips are fast and easy to discover and allow users to get a part of an app the moment they need it. An app clip from the ETSE app displayed on iPhone 11 Pro. App clips are integrated with Apple Pay for easy payment and sign in with Apple for quick and private login. Previous. Next. Powerful updates to conversations in messages. Messages is central to communicating with friends and family, and now it's easier to stay connected and quickly access important messages. Users can pin conversations to the top of their messages list, easily keep up with lively group threads through mentions and inline replies, and further customize conversations by setting a group photo using an image or emoji. New emoji options in messages are even more inclusive and diverse with additional hairstyles, headwear, face coverings, and more. Pinned conversations in messages displayed on iPhone 11 Pro. Favorite conversations can be pinned to the top of a messages list, with recent messages, tapbacks, and typing indicators featured right above the pin. A direct reply in Messages displayed on iPhone 11 Pro. Messages enables users to reply directly to a message and keep track of all subsequent replies. Previous. Next. Greener ways to explore and new guides in Maps. Maps makes it easier than ever to navigate and explore with new cycling directions, electric vehicle routing, and curated guides. Cycling directions take into account elevation, how busy a street is, and whether there are stairs along the route. Electric vehicle routing adds charging stops along a planned route based on current vehicle charge and charger types. Point 2 Guides provide a curated list of interesting places to visit in a city, created by a selection of trusted resources. Guides are a great way to discover hot new restaurants, find popular attractions, and explore new recommendations from respected brands, including AllTrails, Complex, The Infatuation, Time Out Group, and The Washington Post, among others. Cycling directions in iOS 14 displayed on iPhone 11 Pro. Maps offers cycling directions along bike lanes, bike paths, and bike-friendly roads. Electric vehicle routing in Maps displayed on iPhone 11 Pro. Electric vehicle routing adds charging stops along a planned route based on current vehicle charge and charger types. The new guides feature in Maps displayed on iPhone 11 Pro. Guides make it easy to find great new restaurants, places to visit on vacation, or things to do in a city. Previous. Next. Enhanced privacy features for more transparency and control. All apps will now be required to obtain user permission before tracking. Point 3 Later this year, App Store product pages will feature summaries of developers' self-reported privacy practices, displayed in a simple, easy-to-understand format. In addition, users can upgrade existing accounts to sign in with Apple, choose to share their approximate location with app developers rather than their precise location when granting an app location access, and get even more transparency into an app's use of the microphone and camera. The new privacy label in App Store displayed on iPhone 11 Pro. App Store product pages feature a summary of the privacy practices of each app before downloading it. Additional iOS 14 features. Translate is designed to be the best and easiest app for translating conversations, offering quick and natural translation of voice and text among 11 different languages. Point 4 On-device mode allows users to experience the features of the app offline for private voice and text translation. Siri expands its knowledge, helps find answers from across the internet, and can now send audio messages. Keyboard dictation runs on device when dictating messages, notes, email, and more. Point 5. The Home app makes smart home control even easier with new automation suggestions and expanded controls in Control Center for quicker access to accessories and scenes. Adaptive lighting for compatible HomeKit-enabled lights automatically adjusts the color temperature throughout the day, and with on-device face recognition, compatible video doorbells and cameras can identify friends and family. Point 6 The Home app and HomeKit are built to be private and secure, so all information about a user's home accessories is end-to-end encrypted. AirPods gain the ability to seamlessly switch between Apple devices with automatic device switching. Point 7 Spatial audio with dynamic head tracking brings a theater-like experience to AirPods Pro. By applying directional audio filters, and subtly adjusting the frequencies each ear receives, sounds can be placed virtually anywhere in a space to provide an immersive listening experience. Digital car keys give users a secure way to use iPhone or Apple Watch to unlock and start their car. Digital car keys can be easily shared using Messages, or disabled through iCloud if a device is lost, and are available starting this year through NFC. Point 8 Apple also unveiled the next generation of digital car keys based on ultra-wideband technology for spatial awareness delivered through the U1 chip, which will allow users to unlock future car models without removing their iPhone from their pocket or bag, and will become available next year. Find My will add support for finding third-party products and accessories with the new Find My Network accessory program. This will allow customers to use the Find My app to locate other important items in their lives, in addition to their Apple devices. User privacy remains central to the Find My network with end-to-end encryption built in. A draft specification is available for accessory makers and product manufacturers starting today. Safari offers a privacy report so users can easily see which cross-site trackers have been blocked, secure password monitoring to help users detect saved passwords that may have been involved in a data breach, and built-in translation for entire web pages. Point 9. Health has all new experiences to manage sleep, better understand audio levels that may affect hearing health, and a new health checklist. A centralized place to manage health and safety features includes emergency SOS, medical ID, ECG, fall detection, and more. Point 10. Health also adds support for new data types for mobility, health records, symptoms, and ECG. The weather app and widget keep users up to date on severe weather events, and a new next hour precipitation chart shows minute-by-minute precipitation when rain is in the forecast. Point 11. Accessibility features include headphone accommodations, which amplifies soft sounds and tunes audio to help music, movies, phone calls, and podcasts sound crisper and clearer, and sign language detection in group FaceTime, which makes the person signing more prominent in a video call. Point 12. VoiceOver, the industry's leading screen reader for the blind community, now automatically recognizes what is displayed visually on screen so more apps and web experiences are accessible to more people. English to Spanish translation displayed on iPhone 11 Pro. Translate helps users quickly and easily translate voice or text between supported languages, and can work completely offline to keep conversations private. A BMW digital car key in Apple Wallet, displayed on iPhone 11 Pro. Digital car keys give users a way to securely unlock and start their car using just their iPhone or Apple Watch. The Home app displayed on iPhone 11 Pro. The Home app has a new visual status that provides an at-a-glance view of a user's smart home accessories. Previous. Next. Availability. The developer preview of iOS 14 is available to Apple Developer Program members at developer.apple.com starting today, and a public beta will be available to iOS users next month at beta.apple.com. New software features will be available this fall as a free software update for iPhone 6s and later. For more information, visit apple.com/ios/ios-14-preview. Features are subject to change. Some features may not be available in all regions or all languages.